I really want to know how Navarro performed out yesterday. He completed 2 hours, 42 minutes, and 3 seconds. This was yesterday's result. Navarro.
Can I have a word with you? Just one simple word. So, yesterday, your result is the best of T2 group. So how do you think about your performance?
Well, yesterday we started with a lot of dust and it was difficult to have rhythm. Then we were alone and we started to have more normal rhythm, not pushing a lot. And then in the dunes we had a lot of fun. It was the next stage.
Good luck.
GWM. Go with more.